In a world moving faster than ever, we lose something vital.
Ourselves. We get caught up in the hustle, the noise, the endless to-do list. Time slips through our fingers and we forget to breathe. But there is a way to reclaim our peace. Through yoga, we find our center, our breath, our life. Join us on this journey to rediscover what truly matters. Yoga is not about touching your toes. It's a journey inward, a path to self-discovery and inner peace.
It's about touching your soul. It's about connecting with the deepest parts of yourself, finding harmony within.
It's the art of finding stillness in the storm. In a world full of chaos and noise, yoga teaches us to pause, to breathe, and to listen to the whispers of our heart. It's about embracing the present moment, letting go of the past, and not worrying about the future. Through yoga, we learn to cultivate a sense of calm and tranquility, even when life gets turbulent. It's a practice that goes beyond the physical postures, reaching into the very essence of our being. By introducing stillness into our lives, we open the door to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Yoga is a reminder that peace is not something we find outside, but something we create within. It's a journey that transforms us, helping us to live more mindfully and with greater awareness. Yoga heals the body. It stretches and strengthens muscles, improves flexibility, and enhances overall physical health. Through consistent practice, it can alleviate chronic pain and improve posture.
Yoga quiets the mind. It encourages mindfulness and helps reduce anxiety and depression. By focusing on the breath and the present moment, it cultivates a sense of inner peace.
Yoga revives the spirit. It fosters a deeper connection with oneself and the world around. Through meditation and spiritual practices, it nurtures the soul and promotes fulfillment.
Reduce stress by 68%, boost immunity naturally, strengthen heart, muscles, mind. Yoga offers a holistic approach to health, addressing physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Embrace the journey of yoga and discover the healing power within. Yoga teaches us that we are more than what we own, more than what we do. It invites us to explore the depths of our being, to connect with the essence of who we truly are. We are breath, the life force that sustains us. We are consciousness, the awareness that allows us to experience the world. Yoga is not just a physical practice, it is a journey inward. It encourages us to look beyond the material possessions and achievements that often define our lives. Through mindful movement and breath, we learn to quiet the mind and listen to the whispers of our soul. As we flow through each pose, we cultivate a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. We realize that we are interconnected with all living beings, part of a greater whole. This awareness fosters compassion, empathy, and a sense of unity. In essence, yoga is a path to self-discovery and transformation. It reminds us that true happiness and fulfillment come from within, not from external sources.
Yoga helped me recover from anxiety. It was a journey that started with small steps, but each session brought me closer to peace. I found myself becoming more resilient, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. Yoga made me stronger inside and out. It taught me to listen to my body, to understand its needs, and to respect its limits. Through yoga, I learned patience with myself, embracing my imperfections and celebrating my progress. The community I found in yoga classes was supportive and encouraging, making the experience even more enriching. Yoga has truly transformed my life, bringing balance, strength, and serenity.
Deep breathing is a cornerstone of yoga practice. It not only helps in calming the mind, but also in enhancing physical well-being. Let's explore some fundamental deep breathing techniques that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Begin with diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to rise as your diaphragm expands. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. This technique helps in reducing stress, lowering blood pressure, and improving lung function. Next, try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound for a count of 8. This method helps in calming the nervous system and preparing the body for a deep, restful sleep. Finally, practice alternate nostril breathing or nadi shodhana. Sit comfortably, close your right nostril with your thumb, and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, release your right nostril, and exhale fully through it. Inhale through your right nostril, close it with your thumb, and exhale through your left nostril. This technique balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain, promoting mental clarity and emotional stability. Incorporate these breathing techniques into your yoga practice to experience their profound benefits. They are simple yet powerful tools for achieving a state of inner peace and well-being. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to challenge yourself with advanced yoga poses. These poses not only test your physical strength and flexibility, but also deepen your mental focus and discipline. Begin with the crow pose, or bakasana. From a squatting position, place your hands on the floor in front of you, shoulder-width apart. Slowly shift your weight forward, lifting your feet off the ground and balancing on your hands. This pose strengthens the arms, wrists, and core while improving concentration. Next, try the headstand, or sirsasana. Start in a kneeling position, interlace your fingers, and place your forearms on the ground, creating a stable base. Place the crown of your head on the floor, and slowly lift your legs off the ground, straightening them towards the ceiling. This inversion pose increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing mental clarity and relieving stress. Finally, challenge yourself with the king pigeon pose, or Ekapada Rajakapotasana. Begin in a low lunge position, bring your back leg forward, bending the knee and placing the foot near your hip. Reach back with your hands to grasp your back foot, arching your spine and lifting your chest. This deep back bend opens the hips, stretches the thighs, and improves posture. Remember, advanced poses require patience and consistent practice. Always listen to your body and never force a pose. With dedication and mindful practice, you'll unlock new levels of strength, flexibility, and inner peace. Before we conclude our journey, let's delve into mindfulness meditation, a practice that complements yoga and enhances our overall well-being. Mindfulness meditation invites us to be present, to observe our thoughts and sensations without judgment. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let go of any tension and allow your mind to settle. Focus your attention on your breath, feeling each inhale and exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air leaving. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the breath, anchoring yourself in the present moment. With regular practice, mindfulness meditation can reduce stress, improve concentration, and foster a deep sense of inner peace. Embrace this practice as a daily ritual, and you'll find yourself more centered, more grounded, and more in tune with your true self. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a constant companion for many of us, but yoga can serve as a powerful antidote to this modern malaise. When we practice yoga, we engage in a series of movements and poses that help release physical tension and calm the mind. Begin with simple stretches, allowing your body to loosen up and your mind to unwind. Move into gentle poses like child's pose and cat-cow, which are designed to help you relax and breathe deeply. As you flow through these poses, focus on your breath, letting each inhale and exhale guide your movements. Visualization techniques can also enhance the stress relief benefits of yoga. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, surrounded by nature as you hold each pose. This mental imagery, combined with the physical practice, can create a profound sense of tranquility and well-being. Remember, the goal is not to perform the perfect pose, but to find a sense of ease and relaxation in your practice. With regular yoga sessions, you'll notice a significant reduction in stress levels, leading to a more balanced and harmonious life. Flexibility is more than just being able to touch your toes. It's about creating space in the body and mind, allowing for greater ease in daily life. Yoga offers a gentle yet effective way to improve flexibility through a series of stretches and poses designed to elongate muscles and increase range of motion. Start with poses like downward dog and forward fold, which target the hamstrings and lower back. Move into deeper stretches such as pigeon pose and butterfly pose to open up the hips and release stored tension. Remember to breathe deeply and move slowly, listening to your body and respecting its limits. With consistent practice, you'll notice a gradual improvement in your flexibility, leading to better posture, reduced pain, and a greater sense of well-being. Flexibility in the body translates to flexibility in the mind, helping you adapt to life's challenges with grace and ease. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, our minds often become cluttered with endless thoughts and worries. Yoga provides a sanctuary for mental clarity, offering techniques to quiet the mind and focus on the present moment. Through mindful movement and breath control, we can clear the mental fog and enhance our cognitive functions. Practices like pranayama or breath regulation help to calm the nervous system and bring a sense of inner peace. Simple poses such as child's pose and legs up the wall pose can be incredibly effective in reducing mental tension and promoting relaxation. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can cultivate a clearer, more focused mind, capable of navigating life's challenges with greater ease and confidence. Remember, a clear mind leads to a clearer path in life. Embrace yoga as a tool for mental clarity and watch as it transforms your life from the inside out. Now let's journey together into a state of mental tranquility. You don't breathe because you're alive because you breathe. Yoga is life, lived consciously. Just as the sun rises each day, bringing light and warmth, yoga brings clarity and peace to our minds and bodies. In the stillness of meditation, we find the rhythm of our breath, the essence of our being. Practicing yoga in a community connects us, reminding us that we are part of a greater whole. Each pose, each breath is a step towards inner harmony and balance. The flow of yoga mirrors the flow of life with its ups and downs, its challenges and triumphs. Embrace yoga as you embrace life, with mindfulness, gratitude, and an open heart. In the final relaxation, we surrender, letting go of all tension, finding true peace. Yoga is not just a practice, it's a way of being, as essential as the breath we take. Thanks for watching. Join our community. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new health tips, guides, and exercise.